Those are the dangerous people, because foreign nationals participate in the economy. Professionals in the universities, most of them are foreign nationals. To make it large, you've got football professionals who are foreign nationals who are doing exceptionally well. So I'm saying it's only those that are not conscious in their mind, that are petty and selfish, that do not want to work extra mile to achieve their own potential, that will normally attack these people because of little economic opportunities that are there. So there isn't any, in the country, there isn't much foreign attack. It's just criminal elements that surfaces.
Okay, let me ask a foreign national in the country. Bongani here is chairing the Zimbabwean community in South Africa, the spokesperson, yeah? The spokesperson for the Zimbabwean community here in South Africa. Do you feel like South Africans are treating you with that Pan-African spirit that they're talking about?
Look, there's been instances, and violent instances at that, of attacks. Even on some countrymen of mine, we've had a lot of reports. When you really look at it, at the very, very core of this subject, we have a structural issue, an issue of classes. Violence does not erupt in Sandton, it's right next door here. Violence erupts here, in Alexandra, or in Diepsloot, or Atteridgeville, or Katlehong, all these like high-density areas where scarcity of resources is rife. People are fighting over resources here. The poor people that are vulnerable, coming from other countries as well. We have no ways of going to stay in the Sandtons of this world.
Okay, I want to hear from you before I come back to the panel.